That's amazing. Perfect note to end on, Savannah. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah,
You're
man, thanks so much. Really inspiring stuff here. I took good notes. As
okay. All
always,
right.
just very provocative conversation. Okay, one fist bump and then we can
All
bounce.
right. Here we go.
This better work.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow. Love it. Okay. Take care.
Keys.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, Chip. It was really cute. Like,
I got to record a debrief because that was pretty surreal. I've had a lot of Skype calls and stuff and whatever in my time of working remote, and they always kind of leave me tired and like whatever after. Yes, I've connected with somebody by speech and looking, but nothing was as empowering as what just happened, where I stood up for like however long I was talking to Savannah. I'll look at the time code later, and was standing, and I'm sort of standing here and I'm looking around at this beautiful space, and her avatar is floating around, and she goes over here to pick up a pen, she's writing down, and I was just consistently blown away about how humane, nice, enjoyable. It was like I was in the office with her, but in my own office. Um, like she was really there. Like there was the presence there, which is again, it's hard to show. It's not going to show in the video, but man, it freaking doesn't need to show when it's real, when it's a presence in your room. So now people can beam into each other's rooms and have cool conversations. Um, yeah, it's real. It's here. It's available. Super cool. I definitely am not going to want to do video calls if I don't have to anymore, when I can be hands-free, mobile, and embodied. It's great. Great. Freaking 10 out of 10 future here. See ya in the Magic Verse.